Oh, alright, so now I'm at the rail camera. So I'm gonna go see it right now. Hang on. Maybe here? Wait a minute, wait. Oh, I'm already back. Wait, what are those called, Junior? I do know now the 278 because I didn't have no idea. What is today, Junior? August 5th? Oh yeah, it is August 5th. What about that song that came out August 5th, 2017? We only have like 1 minute until it. Hurry, we have like 60 seconds. Yeah, now we
What's the sound name?
It's coming. This is it. I already know. God, just stop right now. Guys, why? And that's it. That's the ending.
Are you recording it?
No. Oh. Because I won't. Because if I really do it, then I wouldn't have. Then why is the orange one over here? Oh, what about the... What about the OCS, Junior? Oh, crap. Dude, I don't think we're not going to make it in time. Didn't I know already? Oh yeah, that's right. I'm time to kill a shrimp. And then... Oh, wait, what about... Oh, no, that was April 3rd. I mean, August 3rd, I meant. I think Sonic the Hedgehog and the Super Mario Galaxy movie already made another gravity. It's Chick Hicks, Jackson Storm, Miles Axelrod, and Bruiser Bukowski. Yeah, Michael beat up SpongeBob.
Man,
SquarePants.
I'm just so angry at SpongeBob right now. Why, you may ask? Because 2 days ago, Michael...
Alright, I'm just gonna watch.